Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Chill on YouTube. Just like humans, robots come in many shapes and sizes. Companies are creating extremely human-looking robots that will work closely with actual humans in the hospitality or customer service sectors. But perhaps the most intriguing, endearing, and acceptable are the ones that really look human. Humanoid robots are used for research, space exploration, personal assistance and caregiving, education and entertainment, search and rescue, manufacturing and maintenance, public relations, and healthcare. These robots look exactly like us, but the behavior still needs some improvement to completely resemble a human. Factories located in the Far East as well as California provide a variety of prototypes for anyone who is in the market for a sexbot. Realbotix, located in California, manufactures a bot that can smile, wink, or frown. It can hold a conversation, tell jokes, and quote Shakespeare, as well as remembering the owner's birthday, what they like to eat, and the names of their siblings. Here are the top 5 latest female humanoid robots. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Mark 1. Mark 1 is a robotic version of Scarlett Johansson. A man from Hong Kong made this stunning robot in his flat. Ricky Ma is a 42-year-old designer. He has poured more than 3,400 euro and over a year of work into this catchingly named Mark 1 humanoid robot. Ma said he decided to model Mark 1's appearance on a Hollywood star. He didn't say which, but it's fair to assume Scarlett Johansson may have given him a lot of inspiration. The robot can move its limbs, alter its facial expressions, and even reply when spoken to by Ma through a microphone. Mark 1 has a special talent for responding to compliments. When Ma tells it how beautiful it looks, it replies with a flattered "thank you" and gives a cheeky smile and a wink. It isn't the most sophisticated humanoid robot ever created, but its achievement is still hugely impressive. Speaking about Mark 1's development, Ma said, quote, "When I started building it, I realized it would involve dynamics, electromechanics, and programming. I have never studied programming. How was I supposed to code? Additionally, I needed to build 3D models for all the parts inside the robot. Also, I had to make sure the robot's external skin and its internal parts could fit together." End quote. Number 4. Harmony 3.0. Realbotix made a doll named Harmony 3.0, and it comes with self-lubricating private parts which can be removed and put in the dishwasher. Customers will be able to get a body equipped with internal heating, lubrication, and touch sensors. Those touch sensors will communicate with the AI so that you are able to create reactions in both movement and sound. There are going to be a lot of other peripheral options and upgrades people can opt for. California-based creator Matt McMullen said that there are a lot of people out there who, for various reasons, have difficulty forming traditional relationships with other people. Now, they will be able to talk to their dolls and the AI will learn about them over time, creating an alternate form of relationship. Number 3. Alter. Alter is another female robot and she has a very human face, like Professor Ishiguro's Humanoids, but goes one step further with an embedded neural network that allows it to move. Alter's arm movement, head, and posture will adjust and change on the system's own volition. The neural network ticking behind the scenes offer multiple movement modes, switching between a longer movement mode and a more random chaos mode. The decision to switch is influenced by the sensors dotted around the base and take in what's happening around Alter, proximity, humidity, noise, and temperature. These sensors operate like the robot's version of the skin, copying our own senses, even if the system is far, far simpler. If the proximity sensors detect a lot of people nearby, for example, the torso shudders as the robot's body reacts to its environment. The technology powering this involves 42 pneumatic actuators and, most importantly, a central pattern generator. The project is an attempt to bridge the gap between programming a robot to move and allowing it to move for itself. With the neural network in place, movement is given a loose degree of flexibility, what the researchers are calling chaos. Number 2. Ada. Ada is the world's first humanoid AR artist. It was developed by the British robotics company Engineered Arts. It is the first ever robot artist to draw without any human input. Using a microchip in her eye and a pencil in her robotic hand, she draws and paints from sight, which has never been achieved in AI before. Ada's robotic drawing technology was developed at the University of Leeds and was made for the gallery at Oxford. Ada has a robo-thespian body that can enact a range of movements, and she can also talk and respond to questions. Her face is made from silicone skin, 3D printed teeth and gums, integrated eye cameras, as well as individually punched hair. She can draw portraits from an inbuilt camera and draws on various mediums like on paper and card. Ada, a humanoid artificial intelligence robot, will exhibit a series of self-portraits that she created by looking into a worm with her cameras on her eyes. It sounds strange. In a little bit, we will tell you how it works and why the idea came up. The robot was named Ada after the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace. According to its creators, it is capable of drawing real people using its camera eye and a pencil in hand. She looks in the mirror that is integrated with her camera eyes and with the help of algorithm programs transforms it into coordinates. The hand of the artistic robot calculates a virtual route and interprets the coordinates to create the artwork. Number 1. Junko Chihia. Chihia Kana have a human-like appearance as people, particularly the older generation, find this look more welcoming and approachable. This is particularly important as, in addition to her work in the tourism and service industries, she has had the German language added to its repertoire, but she is able to speak many other languages. Chihir Kana will be used in the health sector to care for older people. The firm also told the BBC that it has upgraded the machine's control system to make its movements smoother. However, one expert suggested a realistic appearance might not be the best suited to Western audiences. Many people feel increasingly uncomfortable the closer a robot gets to appearing like a human being, so it's better the two remain distinguishable. One note, if the air pressure is unstable, her movements become affected by vibrations. So, if the airflow is very precisely controlled, her movements are a lot smoother. So, this is the end of the video. Hot female AI robots that will be your partner. We hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. But before you go, subscribe, like, and share the video. And don't forget, hit the bell icon